Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the where clause in structured query language. The where clause is a data manipulation language or a DML statement. The where clause is used with one condition to filter records of one query. Like an example, we have the query select star from the table employee, and then we have the where clause followed by one condition name equals Sam. So this query will filter the record and only return the record where the name is Sam. And also we can use the where clause with the select, update and the delete statement. Like an example, we have the employee table, and inside the employee table we have the record of all the employee. Now we can use the where clause and we can filter the record. So we can write select star from the table name employee, and then we can use the where clause and the condition name equal Sam. So this query will return the record where the name is Sam. So if I just execute that, and you can see we have filtered the record where the name is Sam. So this is the way we can use the where clause in structured query language, and we can filter records of one query. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.